In the world of finance, we often talk about assets, liabilities, and the ever-elusive profit margin. We pore over spreadsheets, analyze market trends, and build complex models to understand and improve performance. But sometimes, the most powerful tool in our arsenal isn't a sophisticated algorithm or a groundbreaking financial instrument. It's something far more fundamental: teamwork. Now, you might be thinking, teamwork? That sounds like something from a management seminar, not a discussion about balance sheets and ROI. But bear with me. In the realm of quality management, teamwork isn't just a feel-good concept. It's a crucial driver of efficiency, a safeguard against costly errors, and ultimately, a significant contributor to your bottom line. So, what exactly is teamwork in the context of quality management? Simply put, it's the collaborative effort of individuals with diverse skills and perspectives working together towards a shared goal, ensuring that the products, services, and processes of an organization meet or exceed the required standards. It's about breaking down silos, fostering open communication, and leveraging the collective intelligence of the entire workforce. Think of it like this: imagine a complex financial transaction. It doesn't happen in isolation. You have analysts gathering data, compliance officers ensuring regulatory adherence, accountants processing the figures, and executives making the final decisions. If any one of these individuals or teams operates in a vacuum, without clear communication and shared understanding of the objectives, the entire transaction is at risk. Errors can creep in, deadlines can be missed, and ultimately, the financial outcome can be jeopardized. Quality management operates on the same principle. Whether you're manufacturing widgets, providing customer service, or developing software, numerous individuals and departments are involved in the process. Each person plays a vital role in ensuring that the final output is of the highest quality. When these individuals work as a cohesive team, the results are transformative. Here's why teamwork is the bedrock of effective quality management. Diverse perspectives lead to robust solutions. Different team members bring unique experiences, knowledge, and viewpoints to the table. This diversity of thought is invaluable in identifying potential problems, brainstorming innovative solutions, and preventing blind spots that might be missed by individuals working in isolation. Just as a diverse investment portfolio mitigates risk, a diverse team strengthens the quality process. Enhanced communication and information flow. Teamwork fosters open and transparent communication channels. When people feel comfortable sharing information, raising concerns, and providing feedback, potential quality issues can be identified and addressed early on, before they escalate into costly defects or customer dissatisfaction. This efficient flow of information is akin to having real-time financial data, allowing for timely adjustments and informed decision-making. Shared ownership and accountability. When individuals are part of a team working towards a common quality goal, they feel a greater sense of ownership and responsibility for the outcome. This shared accountability motivates team members to actively participate in quality improvement initiatives, take pride in their work, and strive for excellence. It's like everyone having a stake in the company's success, driving collective effort. Improved problem-solving capabilities. Complex quality issues often require a multifaceted approach. A well-functioning team can leverage the collective problem-solving skills of its members to analyze the root causes of problems, develop effective solutions, and implement corrective actions more efficiently than individuals working independently. Think of it as a team of financial experts collaborating to unravel a complex accounting anomaly. Increased efficiency and reduced waste. When teams work together effectively, processes become streamlined, redundancies are eliminated, and the overall efficiency of operations improves. This reduction in waste and rework directly translates to cost savings, a key metric that any finance expert can appreciate. Quality, in this sense, is not just about meeting standards. It's about optimizing resource utilization.